All right, realtors, let's talk real for a second. What if I told you that the single biggest thing holding you back is that you still think like an agent? See, here at the Wolfpack, we run our business like CEOs. Most of the industry is still stuck on a hamster wheel, but we're building flywheels. So you know what the hamster wheel feels like, right? You're juggling everything. You're showing clients, trying to generate leads, handling paperwork, maybe even trying to post on social media. You're so scattered, you're so busy all the time, and your income is literally a roller coaster of peaks and valleys, all because there's no system. It's exhausting, and it keeps you from building something real. A flywheel is different. It's a system where every part feeds the next, building momentum over time. Our flywheel is built on a simple philosophy, using AI, CRM tech to automate the mundane stuff, which creates massive compounded time savings. This allows us to focus on what truly matters, building relationships, closing deals, and achieving a real work-life balance. So how do we do it? We give every single agent that partners with us the power of their own AI C-suite. First, you're gonna get an AI Chief Marketing Officer. This is gonna plan your market, write your content, and even generate pro-level graphics for your ads and your listings. Next, you're gonna get an AI Chief Operations Officer. This is gonna handle the busy work, right? It's gonna systematize your follow-up inside your CRM, draft your emails for you, and manage your schedule, freeing you up from the day-to-day grind. And most importantly, you're gonna get an AI Chief Strategy Officer. So you can run a full SWOT analysis on your business at any time you want. You can wargame negotiation strategies. And this is exactly how you stop being reactive and start planning moves like a real CEO. So when your marketing operations and strategy are all handled by a system, you're gonna get off the hamster wheel and you're gonna be able to build a stable, predictable business that grows month over month. And that's how you achieve financial freedom and get your time back to actually enjoy the sweet side of life. So if you're an agent and you're tired of running on that hamster wheel and you're ready to start building a real business, a real empire, then you need to surround yourself with people who are on that same mission. We believe that iron sharpens iron over here. So if you want to be surrounded by peeps like me that are reshaping the real estate industry with all this awesome new tech, then click the link below to explore a partnership with me at the Wolfpack, and let's build something together.